Hey friends, that got stuck for a minute, so hopefully it's okay. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the live. My name's Debbie, Refresh Restyle, and I am so excited to be here tonight. And y'all, I shared this big chalkboard the other day, and I had several requests to put something on it or put something new on it. I've had other things on it. And we're going to do something fun tonight. Hey, Cheryl. How's it going? As y'all are hopping on, let me know where you're watching from. I am in Tennessee. And if you're new here, let me know you're new. Hey, Phyllis. I hope everybody's doing great. Hey, Carolyn. What have y'all been doing today? Da-da-da. Hey, Sue. Hey, Joyce. And I know several of y'all got this. And let me see. It's 28 by 19. And I think that's the area that, that you can chalk on. I don't know if it's the distance or there or not. Hey, Susan. Look, is anybody checking in from the hurricane area? Hey, Leela and Ann. Facebook seems to be moving slow tonight. I got to make sure my... Good evening, Susan. I want to make sure that I get the broadcast channel. Where's everybody watching from? Hey, Doris. Franklin, Georgia. How's it going in Franklin? This is going to be super quick. And happy October, everybody. How has your day been? I hope it's been great. I'm going to get this out of the way. Hopefully I can see comments. I've been busy today. This has 2 hanger doodads on the back. I don't know if y'all can see them. And anyway, it's October 1st. And on the 1st of the month, we have a new color of the month. Let me show y'all this. It's one of my favorite. It is called The Lord Has Come. And it's Joy to the World. And I'm going to be doing it in all one color, which makes it super simple. And you can put it on anything you want, but it fits this board perfectly. I'm going to add a little fuzz to the back. Sometimes people are like, why do you put that towel on there? Well, it's to add a little fuzz, which makes the transfer sticky, so it lessens the adhesive, makes it easy to pull off. Hey, Cindy. Hey, Belinda. All right, so I'm just going to add some fuzz. Hey, Stacy and Paula. Anyway, I know a lot of y'all got this board, and you've been messaging me about put something on it. I got a little fuzzy wuzzy on there. And I'll tell you another one somebody suggested. This would be pretty on it also. This is called Christmas Eve Night. So cute. And right now, it's Transfer Palooza. Some people call our transfer stencils, but they're silk screens. Let me get this over here so y'all can see. But they're all buy 3, get 1 free. I've got that fake snow everywhere. And here's something I kind of like to do. I kind of like to start it here. Let's see. And drag it to where I want it to be. That looks good. Now, if you wanted to measure, you could. Hey, Chris, thanks for the stars. Thank you guys for sprinkling. Anyway, so like if we got different sizes, A, B, C, D, E. A is the smallest, E is the largest. So whenever you're doing the buy 3, get 1 free, put all 4 in your cart. But always remember, the least expensive one's going to be the free one. So this is a C size. So if you were going to buy this one, I would probably get all of them this size. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so that your freebie is the same price. Hey, Deborah. All right, y'all, this is super fast. I really just wanted to show the board with a design on it because y'all been asking. Hey, Adria. And then, look, I'm just going to squeegee, squeegee, squeegee. Can y'all see this okay? Look, you can move the comments. Let's see. This is super, super easy. But you just, and you don't press really hard. You just put, like, even pressure on here. Even pressure. And I'm going to go ahead and you don't want your paste to dry in the screen, so you want to take it off while it's still wet. And on one of these larger sizes, like if you were doing a couple of different colors, I would paste and pull, meaning I would paste a section and then pull it up. And these are reusable dozens of times. And if you guys have watched before, you will notice that I will use the same transfer or stencil, whatever you want to call it, several times. And listen, we only do this buy one, get one free a couple of times a year. And like I said, the least expensive one is the freebie. So, and put in quantities of 4 in your cart. If you want the list that has the chalkboard and the transfer that I'm using, just comment the word joy. And I'm lifting this up a little bit slowly so I can, like, I missed a little spot right there. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I've been talking too much. I missed another spot. So comment the word joy, J-O-Y, if you want the links. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. And, you know, I used to say, it felt like I was bragging, but really, the stencil does all the work. It's super simple. Barb, the word is joy, J-O-Y. Joy to the world. And y'all, look how gorgeous this looks. Is this stunning? Look at that. It's so pretty. It looks like it was made for this board. And I used the color vanilla. So if you have this chalkboard, the C size fits perfectly. Isn't that pretty? Now you can do, we got lots and lots of colors. I just thought that this would look really pretty on here. I love all the detail, and you know, to me, it's more than a chalkboard. It's like a piece of art. Don't y'all just love it? So pretty. I think I saw somebody asking about the gingerbread. Y'all, this is the gingerbread is the October Club. I did this yesterday in the cutout shop. Barry and Jenny have been busy because lots of y'all have ordered this. It's like a cookie baking tray that we did yesterday. It's so cute. And I did this yesterday, so if you missed it, it's on the page. But isn't that darling? And so it's October. The color of the month is like a Grinchy green color, and it's the color of the month is like a collector's item. Each month we have a new color, and it only, like, it lasts, what is it? While supplies last. Somebody's asking about the board. If you comment the word joy, I'll send you a link to the chalk that I use, the board, and you'll also put details in there. Oh no, Karen, still no power. So sorry. Y'all, I've been praying every day for the, oops, and I think did I touch that? I'll have to fix it. I need to get a little Q-tip. Anyway, if you do touch your design like I did, you can use a little Q-tip to clean it up. But I appreciate you guys hanging out. I just want to come on here really quick. Stacy, I think the gingerbread is way too small for this. This is like a very large design. So the gingerbread would be lost on here. This is perfect for C size. But I do love the gingerbread. He is so stinking cute. And if you're not a club member, you can join and get the gingerbread. It's so cute. There's been a couple of times when the club has sold out, and I kind of said, I bet the gingerbread sells out because everybody loves gingerbread. I do. Yes, Vicky said, can I use paste on a mirror? Yes, you can. You just wet it and then take like a plastic scraper and scrape it off. But I'm going to hop off here. Don't forget, we have a new color of the month. And it's buy 3, get 1 free until the 14th or as supplies last. And remember, the least expensive one is the free one. So you put 4 in your cart and then the least expensive is free. So if I were, what I would do is get, you know, all C size or all B or A, but you can mix it up if you want to. All right, guys, take care. Comment joy if you want the supplies, and I will see y'all later. Bye now. Whoops.